Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillah, alhamdulillah, salatu wassalam ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. So we are back again with a new series. This will be understanding Nahw through question and answer. 400 questions for Nahw, and inshallah we have another book, 400 questions for Sarf. Inshallah, so I'll try to make one video for each question, however, how much of a short they are, how much of a big they are, inshallah ta'ala. Right? So you might be thinking, how many series I keep starting? But that's how I am. I like starting new books and doing them slowly with time, inshallah ta'ala. So this is a new series, inshallah ta'ala, which I hope to finish whenever we finish all the 400 questions. 400 su'al wa jawab. This is fi qawaid al-nahw al-arabi, and this is by Saad al-Karim al-Fiqhi. So you can go through this book. You can download this book through the websites. ArabicEnthusiast.wordpress, and if you search Su'al wa Jawab in the resources section, you'll get it in that, inshallah ta'ala. So let's begin with the first question. So today's first question, what ma ta'ariful lughati? What is the definition of lugha? So there are 400 questions like this. So each question will come and then the answer, and that's it. Al-lughatu wasilatun tafahum wasilatun or wasilatun tafahimin. Maybe it's mudaf mudaf ilayh. The language is a means of understanding. Tafaham, fahama, tafahama yatafahamu from 6. So al-lughatu wasilatu tafahimin bain al-afradi, between people. Language is a means of understanding between people. Yu'abbirun, abbara yu'abbiru, express or speak. Abbara yu'tabir, express biha, who speak through it or with it. And afkarihim, about their thoughts. وَمَا يَدُورُ فِي أُقُولِهِمْ دَارَ يَدُورُ, and what goes around in their head and intellects, أُقُول عقل أُقُول, min ma'anin, of meanings, from meanings, عن طريق الكلام, through the way of speech. Right? So what is language? It's the means of using, means of communicating. Right? Means of communicating. This is called al-lughatu. Right? So this is what is the first question, and we are done. Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuhu.